Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain you about CC Beer reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'm going to share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website and you can see they have mentioned get up to 50% off, gift ideas and new ideas. And it is an online shopping store which is based in United Kingdom that deals with multiple products including baby and kid products, clothing items, houseware items, pet supplies, shoes and accessories and various other tools. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about the payment information of this website. So for that you need to visit the payment method. And here they have mentioned that you can connect your PayPal credit card, debit card or bank account to PayPal for purchasing some of the products. And apart from that guys, you can also visit the FAQ section to know more about the payment methods. And here you can get the information that the website accepts payment via PayPal credit card, Visa, MasterCard, Discover and American Express debit card. Now let's talk about the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping information section. But here they have not provided any information. So let's visit the FAQ page and here they have mentioned 3 to 7 business days for shipping. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's move on to those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But when it comes to the domain information, this particular domain name was created on 9th of October 2020 and this site is 2 months 26 days old, and according to our study the domain is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this factor is not enough to judge its legitimacy. We need to explore this website at the best level. So let's take a look at the about us section to know more about this website. So this is the about us page guys, and they have provided fake about us information as they have not mentioned any information related to business establishment year, business owner name, brand connection info, etc. Even they have mentioned fake information related to the offerings of this website. So this is a negative sign guys, and let's check out the contact details of this website. So they have not provided the contact details including company's official address and contact number. And apart from that guys, the email which is given on this web page does not matches with the domain name, which is a bad sign. Yes guys, they have provided a fake email address which doesn't matches with the domain name. And apart from that, no contact us details makes the site quite suspicious. Now let's check out the social media presence of the site. So guys, they have not provided a social media icon on this website, but yes, according to our study, we have found Facebook account of CC Beer UK, and they have recently created a profile on Facebook, but the online presence is too low. So we can't trust on it easily. And let's check out the return policy to define the return policy of this website. So this is the return policy page guys, and yes, they have mentioned 14 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. And talking about CC Beer reviews, we have found majority of the negative reviews about the site on the internet, and we have found 2.9 rating out of 5 on the Trustpilot. And guys, one of the customers gave negative feedback that poor quality item received, no return address provided, have to pay for own return if you even had a return address, use the supplier at your own risk, you have been warned. Another writer or another user wrote that disgusting service, I am really very disappointed and disgusted. So guys, majority of the reviews was negative and no one is satisfied with the services of this website or company. So this is a negative sign again, and the site seems to be not much popular online. And apart from that, the site has used the content of other websites, which is a characteristic of a scam website. So, in the final conclusion, guys, the website appears to be scam. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website as it is a fake online store. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys, keep supporting, and hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.